I know for myself and a lot of clients that I have that there are these days where you just are like, what in the world is going on? I mean, the world is absolutely going crazy out there. A lot of us just don't even know where to begin to process it.
Well, and that's the thing, and we are required, or I have been required at this time to go within and what's going on for me,
Mhm.
and to really, as you were sharing about you and your husband, taking a look at what really matters in my life at this time, really taking a look at spiritually, mentally, emotionally, physically, what matters. What is giving us life? And it can be over in an instant. And so what is feeding us? What is giving us life? What is giving us that energy and vitality, and even some days it's just the willingness and the strength to carry on.